Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 2010 Matchbox. Today we have one of my very favorite Matchbox cars. It is the 71 Oldsmobile Vista Cruiser. Vista Cruiser, not Fiesta. Vista Cruiser. It's a Heritage Classics. It's number 18 of 100. The old school packages. Two Dougies in the back. Cool mags. The ultimate road trip adventure through the Arizona's painted desert awaits. You can read the rest if you'd like. And we got 2009 copyright. Let's get this out of the package, see how cool it is. Like I said, I've opened up a few of these before. Just not this particular one exactly. I did do one, I'm not sure if I did a YouTube video of it or not, but I know I have one similar to this color. Ready, set, pop. Nice pop. 71's a good year for cars. Good thing for other things too. Pretty sick, pretty sick. Two black doggies. Plastic bottom, made in Thailand. Two rivets, both are painted. This reminds me of the Brady Bunch car. And there's that 70s show has a Vista Cruiser in it. Not bad wheels. It's not super fast, but it's very, very straight. Slower. A little backwards. Poor doggies. Whoa! Oh, almost made it. One more try. There we go. All right, frontwards, squeezing the ball. Nice. And backwards, squeezing the juice. Perfect. Nice. And the most important, does it drift? Oh. I like it. Oh, it just missed everything. It was great. Oh, boom! Smash two. That's it for the smashing. It'd be cool if that tailgate come down. You could take the doggies out and play with it. I'd like that. Cool sunroof. I don't think I've ever realized that before. 1971, they had cool sunroofs like that. Roofs. Was it roofs or roofs? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Driving is on the left. Please hit that notification bell and like button. Most importantly, please subscribe. Till next time, T10 out.